Hello students, in this video we will learn about complementary angles. When it comes to trigonometry, we know we need to learn what is complementary angles. First, what are complementary angles? We may have learnt earlier what are complementary angles. Complementary angles are those angles whose sum makes up 90 degrees. So let's say if we have sine theta, okay, that we need to find out, and we are given like the angle of cos theta. From there we can find out what is sine theta. Let's find out how. So once again we will need to draw the regular hexagon which we have been drawing so far. So I'll draw that first. We draw the regular hexagon, which is a six-sided closed figure, and once again we mark this point as sine, cos, then tan, opposite to that will be cot, here we will have cosec, and this will be sec. And once again there's no need to draw the diagonals over here, or we rather draw the diagonals to make it, to avoid any confusion, over here, and that's it. Fine. Now in case of complementary angles, you just have to look at the opposite over here, this way, from tan to cot and from sec to cosec. So if we have sine theta, then the complementary of that will be the next one, cos 90 degrees minus theta, which means that if you are given the angle and you are given cos theta, from there you can subtract and find out what is sine theta. We will come to solving complementary angles later on in another video. For now we will just list down formulas which help us to find complementary angles. So as we have found sine theta, which is cos theta minus cos of 90 degrees minus theta, similarly tan theta can be found out. So tan theta will be cot of 90 degrees minus theta. Then we have sec theta. So sec theta can be said as equal to cosec 90 degrees minus theta. Remember, we are dealing with complementary angles, that means angles whose sum make up 90 degrees. Now we have found 3. If we go in the reverse fashion, same thing will happen. So here we will have cos theta, we can find out cos theta, and cos theta will be sine of 90 degrees minus theta. Similarly cot theta will be tan of 90 degrees minus theta. And then we have cosec theta. By now you would know how we will get cosec theta, which would be sec of 90 degrees minus theta. In this way we get 6 more formulas which allow us to solve complementary angle problems in trigonometry. Okay, so once again we have drawn this regular hexagon, and we have used this regular hexagon to find out complementary angles. So remember, if we need sine theta, then we need to get cos of 90 degrees minus theta. We will be given cos theta in this case. So similarly we have this 6 formulas, or the remaining 5 formulas, and this is how we get complementary angles in trigonometry. I hope you have liked this video. Please click on the like button, share it with your friends and classmates. Please subscribe to the channel, click on the bell icon to receive notification whenever new video is posted. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.